Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to talk to you about an exciting new product that we've really been looking forward to releasing. Hi everyone, my name's Josh and I'm from Spray Direct, and today I'm excited to announce that we've been working on a new cup system for some HVLP turbine guns. At the moment we've got the kit to fit the Graco Edge 2 and the Edge 2 Plus guns, and we've also got them for the Q-Tech Gravity and suction guns as well. So they're all available on the link in the description below. All you've got to do is go to that and then select your gun from the drop down list, and we'll supply it with the right adapter for you. We are looking at providing adapters for more guns in the future, so if the one you're looking for isn't there, just keep an eye on our social media and all new kits will be announced on there. Or if you aren't sure, you can always just give us a call. So let's talk about the details of the cup system and why you might want to go for it. When opting for a new cup system, the key thing for me was ensuring it isn't going to leak, and by utilising the PPS 2.0 system, we're massively reducing that risk, as firstly it's incredibly tried and tested all over the world, but mainly because it uses a disposable lid to seal onto the liner, which creates their own seal independent of the outer cup. One of the major things about spraying that everyone hates is the cleanup, myself included. So we wanted to make the cleanup procedure as easy as possible, and because the PPS system is using a lid and liner system, it means that when you're finished spraying, you simply open up your cup, lift out the lid and liner and the filter, and throw it all away as one assembly. So that means no paint has come into contact with any other part of the system other than the inside of the adapter and obviously the gun itself. So cleaning out with this system is super fast and really easy to do. Also, if you're working domestically, it massively reduces the chances of making a mess in your customer's house. This system also makes colour changes much quicker and easier as well. You'll notice that I said you also throw out the filter with the lid and liner, and that's because each lid comes with its own disc filter actually moulded directly onto the inside of it. So we're supplying this kit with the 200 micron coarse filters, which is around a 70 mesh filter, but the replacement cups are also available in a 125 micron fine filter, which is equivalent to about 120 mesh filter. To be honest, even if you're using the thinnest of products, I'd still probably opt for the 200 micron filters, otherwise you may actually struggle to push the paint up through the filter and into the gun. If you're using a particularly thick product, you can easily cut the filter with a Stanley knife and pull the filter out altogether. Putting a PPS system on a gun is nothing new, and they get fitted to HVLP guns all the time, but this is just relying on the Venturi effect to pull paint from the cup up into the gun, which will massively reduce flow. Our kit is unlike these systems, and it utilises the standard HVLP gun air outlet to pressurise the cup and to squeeze the liner, which pushes the paint through the filter and into the gun. Another thing we wanted to focus on and to test was the solvent resistance of the outer cup and the lid itself, and to see if it distorted at all. And I'm happy to say that we fully submerged this in our strongest solvent gun wash for about 100 hours, and it was completely unaffected, and it's actually been the same one I've been using for testing. Obviously I wouldn't suggest doing this, but it's nice to know that you can wipe it down with a solvent rag at the end of the day and you know that everything's going to be fine. And lastly, we wanted to make it affordable, so that's both for the initial purchase of the kit and for the ongoing cost of the cups. And I'm pleased to say that's definitely been achieved. I'll put a link in the description below to the complete kit and the replacement cups so you can get an idea of the costs. When you buy this kit from us, you get the pressurised cup itself and the correct adapter for your gun. You also get a pack of 50 3M 850mm lids and liners, complete with 200 micron filters built into each lid. Fitting or converting to this system is super easy to do, so we'll do the Q-Tech ones first. So we've got the suction gun up here, and all we have to do is remove the standard cup. You can put that to one side, and then our adapter simply screws straight onto the bottom there, and then there'll be a air hose that goes into the bottom of the cup and into the standard port up there. And then on the gravity gun, much the same, remove the standard gravity cup, put that to one side, we got a cup, screw that straight into the top, and the same again with the air fitting in the top of the cup here, and that goes into the standard air port as well. And now I'll show you the Graco one. Fitting this system to the Graco gun's a little bit more involved, so we'll do a quick demonstration on how we do that. So first thing we want to do is undo the cup and take that off. And we'll put that to one side. And you're going to need an 11mm spanner and a 17mm spanner ideally to do this one. To tighten up the Q-Tech, you're going to need a 19mm spanner to do that. So this fitting on the bottom is the first thing we want to take out. Now a standard from factory, that's going to be really tight. So if you can use a vise, great. If not, you can do it in your hands, you're just going to have to hold it really tight. So we'll crack that off. Obviously I've pre-loosened it for the video. Take that off, and we can keep that with the cup if we ever want to swap back. And then we can grab our cup with the adapter already fitted, and we can screw that in. Now, all of the Graco adapters will come with PTFE tape already fitted, so you don't have to worry about the seal there. And we can tighten that up. And then ideally use a 17mm spanner on the flats of the lower part of the adapter. Nip that up. Don't need to go crazy with that, doesn't need to be seriously tight, but that's just enough to get it to seal. So that's how we fit it to the Graco gun. Easy as that. Replacing the liner is really easy to do as well, so all we have to do is twist off the gun. We can undo the lid, that comes off like that. And then we take out the lid and liner, so you see we've got the liner there, we've got the lid and the filter in there. And then we put that to one side, obviously it's used. We got our new ones, in like that, click it in, that creates our seal. Screw that down and back onto the gun, ready to go. And when you receive the lids and liners, you'll notice that the lids look a little bit different. So that's what we want them to look like when we're using them, and this is what they'll look like when they come. This black retaining ring is just clipped on, and you just undo the clips, comes off, throw that away, don't need that. And that's what will go in our cup when we're ready to use it. Now we're going to head over to the spray booth and I'm going to show you the Edge 2 gun with the PPS system in action. Obviously it works exactly the same with the Q-Tech ones, it's just the one we're using for demonstration purposes. So I just wanted to give you a quick demo of how the cup system works. So you can see we're loaded up with paint here. I've got it about half full so you can actually see it collapsing up. Connected on with our adapter, hose connected into the standard Graco port and then into the bottom of the cup. So if we turn it on, I'll pull the trigger and you can start to see the cup collapse. Okay, so there you can see the cup has collapsed up, that's the inner liner, and we've got pressure on the outside of the liner, squeezing it in and pushing the paint up through our gun. You can see that it's holding a vacuum here, obviously it's not dropping back down, so that's now ready to spray, so we will do a quick demonstration of that. As with the standard gun, you can still spray sideways, you can still spray upside down, so you can get into those hard to reach places. So I'll show you in action now. So as you can see, you can hold the gun however you like and it will come out just fine. If you want to find out a bit more info on the gun I'm using, so it's the Graco Edge 2 Plus. If you want to find out a bit more and the Graco turbine system I'm feeding it with, there'll be a link to another video at the end of this one. I'll put a link in the description below to the complete system and to the replacement cups on our website. So if you wanted to find out a bit more, you can check it out there. If you've liked the video and found it helpful, then please hit the thumbs up icon. And if you wanted to find out a bit more and get access to exclusive offers, then please subscribe to the channel. Also, if you hit the notification bell, you'll get a little notification when we upload a new video. That way you aren't going to miss out on any new offers or content. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.